Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. I just want to say I really do appreciate you guys who subscribed, who support. I just really do appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can get notifications for the next time that I upload. You can also find me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So follow me, sis. Okay. Today's video is basically going to be about Queenlabel hair collection. Okay. So I am so happy to finally announce that I am the brand ambassador of Queenlabel hair collection. So the hair that I have in, this is actually a unit that I have created out of the bundles from Queenlabel hair collection. The bundles that I have in are the Cambodian Kinky curly texture, and baby, like, can we say life? Like, can you say, hey, how you doing? But no, these bundles were actually on sale when I purchased them. I've had these bundles, I want to say it's safe for me to say that I've had these bundles for at least a month. And I'm really actually satisfied with the bundles. Now the actual frontal, I want to say I kind of like sort of over processed my knots, so I kind of got a little shedding from my frontal. But overall, I would say that I rate this hair a 10 because I haven't had like a real problem with it. Like, the curl pattern is dope. Okay, it's full. Like, this is three bundles on a standard size frontal. So all the way to the end, as y'all can see, all the way to the end is full. It's not like, it's not thinning towards the end. So the length that I got is a 24, 22, and a 20, and a 18-inch frontal. So yeah, if you guys like this hair, you can definitely go and check out her website. I'll make sure to leave everything down in the description below. Okay, so shout out to Queenlabel hair. Also, the pattern, I kind of had to like figure, like, that's why I had this hair for like an entire month, because I kind of had to like figure out, you know, the do's and don'ts of this hair. Now I noticed, I know from me having natural hair that it's very important. Like, if you get this texture hair, it's very important for you to deep condition. It'll be easy to manage and you won't get any tangling, basically. So make sure you are deep conditioning your units. Like, don't just wash them and don't condition, like any unit basically. But with the curly hair, just make sure you do like a deep condition. Something simple. You don't have to go all out, but just make sure you deep condition. Okay, sis? But for the most part, I'm very satisfied with this unit that I created. So I plucked the knots. I think I have, like, I didn't record me, I'm sorry you guys, I did not record me creating this wig, but for the next look, I will definitely record it for you guys. I'm trying to get more wig videos out for y'all. But I plucked the frontal, I bleached the knots, I tinted the lace, because when I got the frontal, the lace was like, it was like an off-white, like an eggshell color, which I didn't like that. But overall, like, I haven't had any problems out of the lace itself. But I did sort of kind of like over process the knots a little bit, so I am getting a little shedding. Okay, but for the most part, I'm having like no problems out of it. Besides, it wasn't like close to my skin tone. Like, I had to, like, it was important, like it was basically mandatory for me to tint the lace. But that's really, like, yeah, that's really the only issue that I've had with this hair. Everybody loves this hair. This is some Baecation hair. Okay, so if you're going on vacation, you know, or you just getting away, or you just want to look cute, like, okay, like, this is super cute. Like, I love this. Super, super cute. I love how it's full, and I love the definition. Love this definition. Like, I like how it looks so natural. So yes, definitely make sure that you guys check her website out, because this hair, like, look at it, like, this hair, like, make sure y'all check Queenlabel hair out. Yes, Queenlabel hair collection. Go and check her website out. Also, make sure that you use my discount code, sis. Okay, I got you. Make sure you use my discount code to get 10% off of your next purchase. Okay, and she has bundles on sale. Like, she has discounts and stuff like that. So, check her out. She got bundle deals. She has, I think she has actual, like, units, honestly, but she has a little bit of everything. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. There's Brazilian, Malaysian, Peruvian, mink, Indian, blonde, and Mongolian. So the Mongolian is this. This is what I have in right now. Is Mongolian. All right. So she has the 3 bundle deals. And she has custom wig customization. Hey, custom wig construction. So she basically will make a wig for you if you request it. Like, hello. That's dope right there. I like that. Yes, get your coin. Get your coin, sis. So she got body wave, loose wave, supreme straight. That sounds like it's some real deal Holyfield right there. She got closures, frontals. She even has raw ending in here. Yes. She got clip-ins. I actually want to try some clip-ins, but yeah, my hair's so thin. I don't know, clip-ins don't work with thin hair. But she got some clip-ins, y'all. So if y'all want y'all some clip-ins, she also has like different color wigs, like rainbow wigs. She got it all, sis. Sis got it all. Okay, so make sure y'all go check out Queenlabel hair collection. Okay, I'll make sure I leave everything down in the description box below. Okay, like I said before, if you're not subscribed already, honey, what is you doing? Go ahead and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for the love and support. Okay, I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. It means so much to me. But until next time, I'll catch y'all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.